Hello students, this is Archana Chauhan. Welcome to my channel Archana Chauhan GMT. Today we will discuss chapter 7 cubes and cube roots exercise 7.1 solutions. Now let's start. Question 1. Which of the following numbers are not perfect cubes? Its first part is 216. We need to check is 216 is a perfect cube or not. So do factorization method. So first of all we need to do prime factorization. So it will be 2 1s are 2, 8s are 16, 5s are 10, 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4, 7s are 14 and 3 9s are 27 and 3 3s are 9. So we have factors 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 3 multiply by 3 multiply by 3. So again the process as I discussed in my introduction video of this chapter, we need to make 3 digits pairing. ठीक है, 3 डिजिट्स के पेयर में हमने इनको अरेंज करना होता है. ठीक है, सो इट इज 2 raised to power 3 and 3 raised to power 3 and here we are applying the formula a raised to power m multiplied by b raised to power m because base is different but exponent is same. In that case it will be 2 multiplied by 3 raised to power 3, so we will get 6 raised to power 3. It means 216 is a perfect cube. It is a cube of 6. Yes, 216 is a perfect cube. Now second part of question number 1 is 128. So same process we will apply here. First do the prime factorization. So start 2 6 are 12 and 2 4s are 8, 2 3s are 6 and 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, 2 6 are 12 and 2 8 are 16, 2 4s are 8 and 2 2s are 4. So we have prime factorization here. So 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 and how many times we can count 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. ठीक है, now do the pairing of 3 digits. So 1 digit is left here. Okay, that's why 128 is not a perfect cube. Not a perfect cube. Let's do part 3 of question number 1. Now again do the prime factorization of 1000. It is 2 5s are 10, 0 0, 2 2s are 4, 5s are 10, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 5s are 10 and 5 2s are 10, 5s are 25 and 5 5s are 25. So from here we can get prime factorization 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5. यहाँ से हमें इसके प्राइम फैक्टर्स मिल गए हैं. Now what to do? Again pairing in 3 digits. 3 digits का आप पेयर करेंगे. आप यहाँ से देख सकते हैं एग्जैक्टली ये पेयरिंग हो चुकी है. तो 2 raised to power 3 and 5 raised to power 3. Base is different but exponent is same. That's why we can write it like 2 multiplied by 5 raised to power 3. It is 10 raised to power 3. It means 1000 is cube of 10. So it's a perfect cube, or we can say 1000 is a perfect cube. Fine. I hope you understood it very well. Now part 4 of question 1. It is 100. So again do the prime factorizations. 2 5s are 10 and 0, 2 2s are 4, 5s are 10 and 5 5s are 25. ठीक है, just write here prime factors of it. 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 5. So just try to make pairs of 3 digits, but from here we can see it's not a in group of 3 digits. So it's 100 is not a perfect cube. इजीली आप यहाँ से देख सकते हैं कि ये परफेक्ट क्यूब नहीं होगा. क्यों नहीं होगा? क्योंकि हमें 3 डिजिट्स चाहिए बट वी हैव ओनली 2 डिजिट्स ऑफ 2 एंड 2 डिजिट्स ऑफ 5. Now let's check part 5th of question 1. It is 46,656. So do the prime factorization. Let's start. 2 2 ja 4, 2 3 ja 6, 2 3 ja 6, 2 2 ja 4, 8 ja 16. You can do in your notebook also. आप ज़रूरी नहीं है कि इसको देखकर ही करें, आप अपना पहले से इसको प्राइम फैक्टराइज करके रख सकते हैं. आफ्टर दैट जस्ट फॉर चेकिंग द आंसर यू कैन यूज दिस वीडियो. सो 2 1 जा 2, 2 1 जा 2, 2 6 जा 12, 2 6 जा 12 एंड 2 4 जा 8, 2 5 जा 10, 2 8 जा 16, 2 3 जा 6, 2 2 जा 4, 2 2 जा 4, 9 जा 18, 2 1 जा 2, 2 6 जा 12, 2 1 जा 2, 2 4 जा 8 and 2 5 जा 10 और 2 8 जा 16, 2 7 जा 14, 2 2 जा 4 and 2 9 जा 18. Now 3 2 ja 6, 3 4 ja 12, 3 3 ja 9. Again with 3, 3 8 ja 24, 3 1 ja 3 and 3 2 ja 6, 3 7 ja 21 and 3 9 ja 27 and it is 3 3 ja 9. So from here just write the prime factors. So how many times 2 came here? 1 2 3 4 5 6. So 6 times 2. Multiply by 2, multiply by 2. And how many times is 3? 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 6 times 3. 3 multiply by 3, multiply by 3, multiply by 3 and multiply by 3. So clearly we can see from here. Just make groups of 3 digits. So check. Yes, it is in form of 3 digits groups. So we can write like 2 cube, 2 cube, 3 cube and 3 cube. As I said earlier, if base is different but exponent is same, we can write like this: 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 3 raised to power 3. So 2 2 ja 4, 3 ja 12, 3 ja 36. 36 raised to power 3. So 4 6 6 5 6 is cube of 36. Hence it is a perfect cube. Hence 4 6 6 5 6 is a perfect cube. Now students, check question number 2. It is find the smallest number by which each of the following numbers must be multiplied to obtain a perfect cube. स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर फाइंड करना है जिससे कि जो भी हमें नंबर्स गिवन है अगर वो परफेक्ट क्यूब नहीं है तो ऐसा कौन सा एक स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर होगा जिससे मल्टीप्लाई करने पर वो एक परफेक्ट क्यूब बन जाए. तो लेट्स चेक फर्स्ट, इज इट अ परफेक्ट क्यूब और नॉट. So let's check for 243. There is a method, prime factorization, by which we can check is it a perfect cube or not. 3 8 ja 24, 3 1 ja 3 and 3 2 ja 6, 7 ja 21 and 3 9 ja 27 and 3 3 ja 9. So just write the all prime factors in front of this. Now do grouping of 3 digits. ठीक है, 3 डिजिट्स की हम ग्रुपिंग करते हैं. यहाँ से हमें देखने से पता लग रहा है कि ये जो डिजिट्स हैं इनकी ग्रुपिंग 3 डिजिट्स में नहीं हो रही है. इसलिए व्हाट वी विल डू, वी विल मल्टीप्लाई बाय 3 इन बोथ साइड्स. क्योंकि कितने की हमें ज़रूरत है? केवल 1 3 की हमें ज़रूरत है. एक 3 से मल्टीप्लाई करने पर ही क्या होगा, यहाँ पे पेयर बन जाएगा 3 डिजिट्स का. ओके, सो यू कैन राइट हियर on multiplying by 3 in both sides. And one more thing, please keep in your mind, जब भी आप ऐसा करेंगे जो भी रिक्वायर्ड नंबर होगा, स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर होगा जिससे आप मल्टीप्लाई करने जा रहे हैं परफेक्ट क्यूब बनाने के लिए, वो आप दोनों साइड्स में मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. सो वी कैन राइट हेयर 243 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 3 एंड इट विल बी 3 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 3 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 3 एंड 3 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 3 एंड दिस इज द डिजिट जो हमारे पास नहीं थी. सो दीज 3 pairs has done and these 3 also. So it's 729 and in right hand side 3 cube multiply by 3 cube. Base is same, So exponent is also same. So we can write it 3 multiplied by 3 raised to power 3, and it is 9 raised to power 3. So from here we can see 3 is the smallest number by which each of the number like 243 can be multiplied to make it a perfect cube. Part 2, question number 2, 256. So again do the prime factorization of this. So it is 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 8s are 16, 2 6s are 12, 2 4s are 8, 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, 2 6s are 12, and 2 8s are 16, 2 4s are 8, and 2 2s are 4. These are the prime factors of 256. So it is 1 2 3, 1 2 3. 8 times we have to. Just do the pairing of 3 digits. So it is incomplete. So here 2 is the smallest number by which we multiplied 256 to obtain a perfect cube. So in both sides multiply by 2. Multiply both sides by 2. 2 is that smallest number. Okay. Now 256 multiplied by 2 equals to 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 and 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2. Now do the pairing. Now you can see from here this is in pairs of 3 digits. It is 2 6 are 12, 2 5 are 10 plus 1 11, 2 2 are 4 plus 1 512. It will be 2 raised to power 3, 2 raised to power 3, and 2 raised to power 3. It gives us 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by raised to power 3. 2 2 are 4, 2 are 8, 8 raised to power 3. So 512 is a perfect cube of 8. So 2 is the smallest number by which 256 should be multiplied to make it a perfect cube. Now check for part 3 of question number 2. It is 72. So do the prime factorization. 2 3 are 6, 2 6 are 12, 2 1 are 2, 2 8 are 16, and 2 9 are 18, and 3 3s are 9. So write the factors of 72. So clearly we can see from here 3 is a digit which has not in a group of 3 digits. So we should multiply by 3 in both sides. Multiply both sides by 3. So we will get 72 multiplied by 3 equals to 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 and multiply by 3. So again we have pairs of this 2 and 3. It can be 3, right? 3 2 just 6, 3 7 just 21. So it will be 216 and 2 raised to power 3 and 3 raised to power 3, and 216 equals to 2 multiplied by 3 raised to power 3. 2 3 just 6 raised to power 3, 216. So 216 is a perfect cube of 6, and 3 is the smallest number by which we can multiply 272 to be obtained a perfect cube. Now check for part 4 of question number 2. It is 675. Let's do the factor first. 3 2 just 6, 3 2 just 6, 3 5 are 15, 3 7 are 21, 3 5 are 15, and 3 2 just 6, 3 5 are 15, 5 5 are 25. So these are the factors: 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5. Clearly we can see here this is the group of 3 digits, but we don't have 5 as a group of 3 digits. So we should multiply by 3 in both sides. Multiply both sides by 5. ठीक है, 5 से दोनों तरफ आप मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, सो इट विल बी 675 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 5 इक्वल्स टू 3 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 3 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 3 and 5 multiplied by 5 and 5 multiplied by 5. It will be 5 5 ja 25, carry 2, 5 7 ja 35 plus 2 37, and 5 6 ja 30 plus 3 3 3 7 5 is equivalent to 3 raised to power 3 and 5 raised to power 3, and base is different but exponent is same, that's why we can write it like this. 3 5 ja 15 raised to power 3, it is 3375. So 3375 is a perfect cube of 15. Now let's check for question number 2 part 5th. It is given to us 100. So let's do the prime factorization first. 100, 2 5s are 10, 2 2s are 4, and 2 5s are 10. And 5 5s are 25. So we have factors of 100, 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5. So we can see here clearly 2 and 5 दोनों ही pairs of 3 digits में नहीं है. So what we will do? We will multiply both sides by 2 and 5 both sides. Okay, then we will get 100 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 5 equivalent to 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 and 5 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5. Now these 2 and 5 both are in group of 3 digits. It is 100 2s are 200, 5s are 1000. Okay, now 2 raised to power 3 and 5 raised to power 3. Base is same, exponent is base is different, exponent is different, so we can write like this. It is 10 raised to power 3. So 1000 is the cube of 10, and 2 and 5 are the smallest multiple by which 100 can be by multiplying 2 and 5, 100 can be a perfect cube. Now let's start question number 3. It is find the smallest number by which each of the obtained following numbers must be divided to a perfect cube. इन नंबर्स में हमें बताना है कि वो कौन सा सबसे स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर होएगा जिससे हम इस नंबर को डिवाइड करें ये और ये एक परफेक्ट क्यूब बन जाए. तो इसके लिए as we have done in previous method, just do the prime factorization. आपको prime factorization करना होगा इसका. तो हमने यहाँ पे prime factorization कर लिया है. 81 के जो prime factors हैं वो हैं 3 multiply by 3 multiply by 3 multiply by 3. अब यहाँ पर आपको grouping करना होगा 3 pairs pairs of 3 digits. ठीक है, तो यहाँ पर 3 ये वाले जो 3 हैं वो 3 digits हैं पेयर में, बट एक 3 यहाँ पर रह गया है. जो 3 रह गया है, जो नंबर लेफ्ट रह गया है, उसी नंबर से आप दोनों तरफ डिवीजन बनाएंगे. डिवीजन बनाने से क्या होगा, ये एक परफेक्ट क्यूब में चेंज हो जाएगा. ठीक है, तो डिवाइडिंग बोथ साइड्स बाय 3 टू मेक 81 एज अ परफेक्ट क्यूब. सो ऑन डिवाइडिंग 3 से आपने 81 को डिवाइड किया, वी विल गेट 27. जब आपने इस साइड RHS में 3 से डिवाइड किया, देन आपके पास ये वाले 3 रह जाएंगे, और ये वाले जो 3 हैं इनको आप लिख सकते हैं 3 raised to power 3. इट मीन्स 3 इज दैट नंबर बाय विच on dividing 3 we can get 81 as a perfect cube. ठीक है, तो 27 will be a perfect cube of 3. Now part 2 of question number 3, 128. So do the prime factorization of 128. It is 2 6 are 12, 4 are 8, 2 3 are 6, 2 2 are 4, 2 1 जा 2, 2 6 जा 12, 2 8 जा 16 and 2 4 जा 8 and 2 2 जा 4. So prime factors of 128 is 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 2. How many times 2? 7 times. So we have written here. Now आप 3 डिजिट्स के पेयर्स बनाएंगे. ठीक है, जो डिजिट लेफ्ट रहेगा उस डिजिट से हम दोनों तरफ डिवाइड कर देंगे. ठीक है, सो डिवाइडिंग बोथ साइड्स बाय 2 टू मेक 128 as a perfect cube. Okay, so 128 divided by 2 equivalent to, इसको मैं लिख सकती हूँ 2 raised to power 3 and इसको लिखा जा सकता है 2 raised to power 3 and 2 is left here and on dividing by 2. So ये 2 से ये वाला 2 जो है कट जाएगा and 2 1 जा 2, 2 6 जा 12 and 2 4 जा 8. So we will get from here 64 equals to 2 raised to power 3 and 2 raised to power 3. Base is same and exponent is also same here. So we can write like this. So it is cube of 4. So 64 is cube of 4. Now let's start part 3 of question number 3. It is 135. So first do the factorization of 135. So we can divide it by 3. 3 4s are 12 and 3 5s are 15 and it can also be divided by 3. So 3 1s are 3, 3 5s are 15, 3 5s are 15 and only 5. So prime factors of 135 is 3 multiply by 3 multiply by 5. Now make the group of 3 digit. ठीक है, तो हमारे पास केवल 3 डिजिट्स का एक ही पेयर है एंड 5 इज लेफ्ट हेयर. ठीक है, तो 5 ही वो नंबर होगा जिससे हम LHS एंड RHS दोनों में डिवाइड करेंगे. सो डिवाइडिंग बाय बोथ साइड्स बाय 5 टू मेक 135 एज अ परफेक्ट क्यूब. So we will get 135 divided by 5 equals to, and ये जो 3 डिजिट्स का ग्रुप है इसको हम लिख सकते हैं 3 raised to power 3 multiply by 5 and 5. ठीक है, सो यहाँ 5 से 5 कट हो जाएगा एंड 5 1 जा 5, 5 2 जा 10 and 5 7 जा 35. Okay, so we will get here 27 equals to 3 raised to power 3. It means 27 is a perfect cube of 3. Start part 4 of question number 3. Just do the prime factors of 192. It is 2 8 ja 16, no, 2 9 ja 18, 2 6 ja 12 and 2 4 ja 8, 2 8 ja 16, 2 2 ja 4 and 2 4 ja 8, 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4, 2 6 ja 12 and 2 3 ja 6. ठीक है, सो यहाँ पर हमें फैक्टर्स मिल गए हैं 192 के. सो वी कैन राइट 2 multiply by 2 and in the last we have 3. Just make the 3 digits pair here. बन गया एंड 3 यहाँ पर फिर से एक रह गया है. ठीक है, सो 3 ही वो नंबर होगा जिससे हम LHS एंड RHS में डिवाइड करेंगे ताकि 192 एक परफेक्ट क्यूब बन सके. ओके, सो डिवाइडिंग बोथ साइड्स बाय 3 टू मेक 192 as a perfect cube. ठीक है, so we will get 192 divided by 3 equals to 2 raised to power 3 and 2 raised to power 3. यहाँ से इसको हमने लिखा है 2 raised to power 3 and इसको भी हमने लिख सकते हैं 2 raised to power 3 and 3 is left and divided by 3. So इस वाले 3 से ये वाला 3 कट हो जाएगा and 3 1 जा 3 and 3 6 जा 18 and 3 4 जा 12. So we will have 64 4 equals to 2 raised to power cube and 2 raised to power 3. So it can be written like 2 multiplied by 2 raised to power 3 and it will be 4 raised to power 3. So 64 is a perfect cube of 4. Now let's start question number 3 part 5th. It is given to us 704. Just do the prime factorization. It is 2 2 3 6, 2 5 10, 2 2 4 and 2 1 2, 2 7 14 and 2 6 12 and 2 8 16 and 2 8 16 and 2 4 8, 2 4 8 and 2 2 4, 2 2 4 and 2 1 1 and 2 1 1. So these are the factors we have. 704. So it is 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 and in last we have 11. So just make the pairs बनाएंगे आप 3 3 के. Okay, so one pair is this and one more is this and 11 is left here. So we can divide by 11. ठीक है, और you can write here 1 factor 11 does not appear in a triplet. ट्रिपलेट की फॉर्म में ये हमें नहीं दिख रहा है, इसलिए 704. So 704 must be divided. 704 must be divided by 11 to make it a perfect cube. Perfect cube. ठीक है. So यहाँ पर आप फिर क्या करेंगे, 704 को 11 से डिवाइड करेंगे एंड इसको हम लिख सकते हैं 2 रेज टू पावर 3 एंड इसको लिखा जा सकता है 2 रेज टू पावर 3 एंड 11. ठीक है, और 11 से यहाँ. सो 11 से आप इसको डिवाइड करिए. 11 से 11 ये कट हो जाएगा. ठीक है, एंड बाय डिवाइडिंग दिस 11 1 जा 11 एंड 11 6 जा 66 एंड 11 4 जा 44. सो वी विल गेट 64 इक्वल्स टू 2 रेज टू पावर 3 and 2 raised to power 3. इसको हम लिख सकते हैं 64 equals to 2 into 2 raised to power 3. So we will get 64 equals to 4 raised to power 3. So 64 is a perfect cube of 4. Now let's start question number 4. Parikshit makes a cuboid of plasticine of sides 5 cm, 2 cm, 5 cm. How many such cuboids will he need to form a cube? परीक्षित को एक क्यूबॉइड बनाना है जिसके जो नंबर ऑफ साइड्स है वो हमें गिवन है 5 सेंटीमीटर, 2 सेंटीमीटर, 5 सेंटीमीटर. अब ये इसमें हमें और बताना है कि उसको ऐसे कितने क्यूबॉइड्स की जरूरत होगी कि इसको एक परफेक्ट क्यूब बनाया जा सके. ठीक है, तो आप यहाँ से चेक कर सकते हैं जो फैक्टर्स हैं 5 और 2 के, दे आर नॉट इन अ ट्रिपलेट. ट्रिपलेट की फॉर्म में नहीं है, 3 डिजिट्स के पेयर में नहीं है. ठीक है, सो आप यहाँ पर जस्ट वी कैन राइट सिंस फैक्टर्स 5 and 2 both are not in group of 3. ठीक है, group of 3. So therefore the number must be multiplied by how many times 5? Only one time. And how many times 2? 2 times. Okay, so it will 2 2 ja 4 5 ja 20 to make it a perfect cube. ठीक है, hence he needs 20 cuboids.